Joe Biden. Joe Biden. Joe Biden.
I don't know who it is, but it's pissing
Someone's
me
coming up.
Got him.
Another
Another
one. There's another one coming through the door.
Dude, what the fuck are we doing, bro?
There's a guy coming through. Don't go through it.
Yo, you wanna come up and get Connor? Dude, you don't even understand. We're gonna win this for sure, bro. Oh!
They're right there, right there, right there. I fucked up. They're right there. 3v2.
Got one. I got one.
Fuck. Hell yeah.
Yo, let's go! Let's go! I got it. I'm gonna get an execution.
I'm feeling great! How the fuck did that work?
Y'all want to just get into a helicopter?
Nick and me.
I'm gonna pick you all up in a helicopter.
Wait, let me get in. Let me get in.
Never
Let me
mind.
get in. Let me get in. Oh.
Yeah, kill him. Kill him, Connor. Kill him. Or get in a helicopter.
Try it.
Penis.
Oh my.
Right here.
God.
4, 3, 2.
I know, you see, somehow the world will change to me and be so wonderful.
Ding dong.
Live life, breathe air, I know somehow we're gonna get there and feel so wonderful.
There you go. Oh my god.
God, where the fuck did this thing come from? Where the fuck did this come from?
It's okay. I fucking beat his ass.
Connor, what the fuck? Dude, I just saw that. I was like, wait, where the fuck did you come from?
I do my dance while I'm counting up the bands. Bad bitch with me while we speeding in the Jag. All I see is blue, but really not sad.